Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make healthy banana bread using an easy method. First, gather your key ingredients like very ripe bananas, whole wheat flour, and natural sweeteners. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, prepare a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan by lining it with parchment paper. This simple preparation ensures a smooth baking process and a delicious outcome for your wholesome, homemade treat. Now let's combine our wet ingredients. Start by mashing 3 very ripe bananas thoroughly in a large mixing bowl. The riper the bananas, the sweeter your bread will be. Then, whisk in 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. Finish by adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance all those wonderful flavors. This creates the moist base for our delicious loaf. Next, we'll prepare our dry ingredients and then combine them. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a small pinch of salt. Gradually fold these dry ingredients into your wet banana mixture until they are just combined. Remember, it is crucial to avoid overmixing the batter. This ensures your banana bread remains wonderfully tender and moist, not tough. Finally, it is time to bake our healthy banana bread. Pour the prepared batter evenly into your 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake it in the preheated oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. Slice and enjoy your warm, wholesome, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.